Let's find out. 27 different words which start with the letter R. This is how the alphabet R looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. R for rose. Rose. R for raspberry. Raspberry. R for rice. Rice. R for radish. Radish. R for rabbit. Rabbit. R for rat. Rat. R for rooster. Rooster. R for rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. R for raccoon. Raccoon. R for rain. Rain. R for raincoat. Raincoat. R for rainbow. Rainbow. R for ring. Ring. R for ribbon. Ribbon. R for rocket. Rocket. R for robot. Robot. R for rock. Rock. R for roof. Roof. R for room. Room. R for rolling pin. Rolling pin. R for rug. Rug. R for radio. Radio. R for remote. Remote. R for refrigerator. Refrigerator. R for racket. Racket. R for ruler. Ruler. And lastly, R for roller coaster. Roller coaster. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words which start with the letter R. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.